By the Siddhi Narasimhala, and we don't have the name of the palace, but we have the name of courtyard. The courtyard name is the Sundar Chowk, where you find the 108 god and goddesses. So after the Siddhi Narasimhala, his son make the another palace, that is the Mulchok. And here you see the 108 goddesses incarnation of the Durga, and 108 buffalo were sacrificed in the medieval time inside. So on the left side you see one temple, that is the octagonal in the shape, made with the stone. This is the Krishna Mandir, built by the Yogmati, who was the daughter of King Yognanamala. So we see the statue there. And this is the big bell. This big bell was built by the Vishnomala to please the goddess Lalijo Bhavani. So we have the very standard gate here. So then after, this is the Harishankar temple. Harishankar means the Shiva and the Vishnu combined. So it was rebuilt from 2017 to the 2019. It took the 2 years, and for the 2 years nothing was built because the earthquake may repeat according to the earthquake scientists. So this is the King Yognanamala. He has a very smart face, very powerful tantric personality. So he has the 40 queens. Among them the 30 went to the sun. So here is the brick temple. That is the Narasimha temple. Very small inside, but it has used the 100 kind of brick, different size and the shape. So small temple belong to the Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmi is very important goddess of wealth. And the next temple is important. It is the first temple in the Patan, Vishnu temple. We say the Char Narayan in the local language. So Kartik Shukla Ekadashi दिन चाहिँ नेपालको चाहिँ चार नारायणको भ्रमण गर्ने गर्दछन् र उनीहरू बिहानी भएको समयमा चाहिँ यहाँ आउने रहेछ। 18th century भन्दा अगाडि यो मन्दिरको धेरै महत्त्व थियो। So this is the stone temple, 21 pinnacle, built by the King Siddhi Narasimhala. So this is the Indian Shikhar style, but it has a problem. When it rains, the water goes all the sides. So Nepali temples look very much scientific. It is said the pagoda. It is the roof. It has the roof in all the sides. So that is not the King Siddhi Narasimhala, but the vehicle of the Vishnu. That is the god on the top. This is Shiva. How are you? His bike friend Shiva. He is the priest inside. So this is the Darbar built by the Siddhi Narasimhala. It is the summer palace. That first one was the winter palace because there is a stone bed. And here was the Mahayagya by the king. Different kind of wood was born here for the benefit of the health. These two rest houses were built by the same king, Siddhi Yognanamala. So it belonged to the 17th century. It is the open guest house. But the tourism started from the Europe in the 1818. So before we have the rest house like this, and the guest house was also built around the world. This is our Shiva Mandir. This Shiva Mandir. Yes, I am the Vishwanath Mandir. र हाम्रो यो चाहिँ भीमसेन मन्दिर हो। यो चाहिँ श्रीनिवास मल्ल राजाले बनाउनु भएको थियो। So mind your feet here. Sorry. यो चाहिँ व्यापारीहरू यहाँ आएर पूजा गर्ने गर्दछन् र आफ्नो क्षमता अनुसारको चाहिँ त्यसपछि हामीले यो सानो लोकल मार्केट देख्दैछौँ र आकाशले चाहिँ एउटा रेस्टुरेन्ट जानु भएको रहेछ, क्याप्टो टेम्पल। यहाँ चाहिँ हाम्रो हिन्दी फिल्मको सुटिङ भएको थियो, बेकाबु 1996 हो। यहाँ चाहिँ ममता कुलकर्णी चाहिँ माथि छातामा बसेर चाहिँ उहाँको सिन छ र पाटन चाहिँ हिमालयन फुडको नेपालमा चाहिँ समावेश गरेको छ बेकाबु मुभीमा। यो चाहिँ हाम्रो नाटक देखाउनुको लागि रामचरित्र उषाहरू नाटकहरू चाहिँ मल्ल राजाहरू गर्नुहुन्थ्यो र अब हामी लिसिमकालीन धारा हेर्दैछौँ। यो चाहिँ लिसिमकालीन समयमा बनेको ढुङ्गाधारा हो। महावीरको नातिले बनाउनु भएको थियो। उहाँको नाम चाहिँ भारेली हो। यो चाहिँ 570 एडीमा चाहिँ निर्माण भएको हो। अहिले चाहिँ 1450 बिचमा चाहिँ हामी ब्रह्मा देख्दैछौँ र दुई साइडमा चाहिँ ईश्वर शिव मूर्तिहरू छ।